All right, you guys wanted more. Here it is. Well, hopefully you just caught it. Good stuff. Love it, love it, love it. Never gets old.
Right?
Any chance you can fire it up one more time? We're live right now.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, awesome. Yeah, please. Yeah, thanks, man. All right, you guys. He's going to fire it up. All right, you guys, wake up your friends. One more time. Beautiful.
Not always to get video. Some people
Sorry. That's awesome, you guys. Well, for those of you that didn't get a chance to see what was going on earlier, here's a quick little snippet. Ron Loomis. DKP members. So we ran out of donuts. We had hundreds of donuts, you guys. And so we had to go and get more. So unfortunately, folks are gonna have to wait for their sugar. Let's see if we can find some VW legends around here. Morning, guys. Live, we got folks in Europe watching. Morning, DKP out in full force. Stefan, you want to do a little message to our folks in Europe?
In what language?
Do French.
Oh, no. I'm
No?
going to do it in English.
Oh, come on.
Hello from DKP and HotVWs magazine.
Great turnout. Huh? That's it? Come on, man. Thank you. Yeah, definitely a great turnout, you guys. Oh, by the way, somebody had asked earlier, any barn doors? Yes, one barn door. So I'll take a photo of that one. Look at this little beauty. There you go, it's 54. This is Kimball Rich's 54. Pretty cool, pretty complete too. A little hard to see with the reflection, but you can get it. Good stuff. Anyway, let's take you guys inside the office if you guys haven't been inside the office yet. Plus, I got to check on the coffee anyway, so look at this little beauty. Good stuff. Shin.
Hey.
We're live, dude.
Oh, we arrive. Okay.
We are.
Thanks for coming. This is a great turnout,
Good stuff,
So,
huh?
yeah, it's so fun,
How many cars do you think we got?
I didn't count yet, so it's 200, I guess.
Oh, yeah, I think more.
I think
I think more.
Quite a bit more.
So this is good. Very cool. So
Eric,
Hi,
introduce yourself.
I'm Eric. I'm the president of Vintage Volkswagen Club of America.
New
Awesome. Welcome, welcome.
Thank you.
This is good.
Good to be here.
Yeah, how many things you brought?
50-50 thing, Volkswagen thing.
50 things.
And I run the VW thing registry also.
Awesome. Wow, busy guy, huh?
Yeah, busy.
Very cool. Are you guys going to cruise by German Motor
We
Works
are. We're
later?
going to go from here to German Motor Works and do a memorial, and then we're going to go cruise PCH and back to Prado.
Beautiful. Very cool. Well, thanks for coming, man. Appreciate it.
You
All right, you guys, let's take you guys inside the office and go check things out.
Yeah, okay.
And did anybody catch that? Hey, Dave, have a nice trip. See you next fall. Poor guy. All right, you guys, this is HotVWs headquarters here.
Well, so I take it in. Take it back to the painter.
So we've got some fun merch for
He does that,
sale.
and he does the. There was a flaw in the door. He said, "I'll do the
Registration
I'll
folders,
just retake that." I
hats.
said, "Okay." Not in a renewal.
People subscribing.
And
We also have really cool skateboard decks.
we paint them. Thank you very much. I bring them
Keychains, everything else.
garage. I move. I'm down in San Diego.
And if you guys didn't know it, we actually have these really cool banners. Those banners are also available for sale if you want to put them in your shop. And, well, they're, what, $32, you guys, super cheap. So good stuff. There's Sandy who makes it all happen. Hi, Sandy. All right, you guys, that's pretty much about it. So thanks for joining. Got a little bit of work to do, and maybe we'll go live when everybody starts leaving. So, real quick view of the sales flap. Here's a cool bus. Yeah, nice, huh? Ladies and gentlemen, Ron Fleming. Ron, we're live.
Me too, barely.
Happened at home though.
All right. Okay, you guys, hope you have fun. We'll catch you later.